everything cleared out. I've got the pictures cleared. My little bowl is up here cleared. And I'm going to show you some of the things that I picked up. So this was actually a black and gold cauldron that is available at TJ Maxx. It is also on their website. And I believe it was like $29.99. But it had gold, just black and gold. So I painted all this out, as usual, to make it more custom to me. So I painted out the little moons from gold to white and gray. I painted the toads from black and gold to my browns and greens, and you can see how to do that on my other video where I made a little toad in a cage. And then I added my purple and green on the, what's kind of like a trim piece there, and then added that purple and green up top, and then some silver. So that way it ties in with everything. The dogs are playing because it's raining outside. But yeah, so that piece is first. And then I bought another little potion bottle here, bone powder. That was from Ashland, or from Michael's. It's Ashland's collection, $7.99. At Home Goods, I bought some Rachel Zoe skulls, and I love these because they're like crystal looking. They're $12.99. They do have some other colors too, but I just thought those were really cool because it ties in crystals as well. And then this thing is awesome. I haven't tried it out, so we'll see. But this one was at Marshall's for $16.99, and it says it lights up and it mists. So that'll be really cool with all the potion bottles. So if you've seen my videos in the past, I have a witch collection. I usually put my witches out, and then I'll put like a few of the signs. And I've got really big witches as well. But I think that this year, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have like, this is the like witch's lair, and then I will move to some of my like higher end skeleton stuff around the door, and then we'll see what we'll do with the kitchen. So I'm not going to bring out all my witch collection, but if you want to see those, they're in past videos. But these, along with the coffin shelf that I bought, that was on my other haul, we'll get all this started and kind of see what takes shape. And I also, on the craft videos, caged a lot of little animals for familiars, and we'll put those, and stuff's going to be between this table and here, and then some of my like potion and apothecary signs I'm going to try to put up here. So let's get started. And I almost forgot, since they're so dark over here, but I also wanted some bones to put in the cauldron. So I've been looking out, and I picked these up at Goodwill for $4.49. I haven't opened them yet. They look like they were in decent condition. Staple those. But they're foam, so that would be cool. That one's in good condition. Oh, so I stapled that. That one looks in good condition. Nice. This one's also in good condition. Got like that kind of thing going on there. Oh, a foot. Another foot. Another bone. This actually has more than what I thought. I don't know, a hip or something? Looks like some hands. So, hand. I'll probably be able to use these other places because this is a lot. A spine. Oh, the jaw. And a little broken off bone. Oh, they got other stuff in here. That's the other part of that broke one. Oh, somebody put other little stuff in here. Eyeballs. Oh, aren't those cool? So these little like eyeball stuff. And fingers. Nice. Alright, let's get started. Since I'm not a fan of putting new holes in the wall, I'm just going to cut these up where these existing holes are. This one over here. And that one over there. So I also have my new signs picked up this year from Goodwill, which is the tarot reading and the Ouija. Those are really light and cheap, so those I could probably use command. Cut them in. And I got my little coffin shelf. That kind of scares me. I may do this up here instead and hang this, because this is a really good anchor. Alright, so my first little familiar guy, which is my raven in here. And I think that would be good. Cauldron is not going to keep all those bones. Here's I've got my home is where you park your broom. Usually put that by my doorway. And then potions, a fortune teller book. That'll probably go up here. Some more goodies from the garage. My little plants. And I got those from Target last year. All the different little baby ones. And I'll put these right here for now. They're probably gonna get mixed all in. Next is the little sparkly, little skeleton looking plants. Oh, there's a better view. And these were from Sea Gallery from last year. So those will go mixed in with the plants somewhere. And then we've got the Catherine's piece that was from Home Goods. So since I've got the tarot and all that stuff, I can kind of put that in that area. Put the little stand up. If that breaks, I'll cry. And then this other little Catherine's piece, which looks like a little specimen, so that'll go in a separate area. Alright, so we have my little hanging bat. He's at Michael's. And I usually have him in his big cage, if you saw last year. And then I've got this skull potion bottle or poison bottle. That was from the at-home store, I believe. My big, beautiful raven. That was from Michael's. And this, I think this was from, I want to say it was from Home Goods. But right, like what's not complete without one of these things? These things are everywhere every year. Okay, so more potion bottles. We have this love potion one that came from Michael's. We have pure passion extract and, oh, that's a real top. I believe that one's also from Michael's because it looks similar to that Ashley collection this year. Frog's Breath in black. And the Frog's Breath, I believe, is from the at-home store. And then this beauty, Scent of Fear, Vampire Blood, that was also Michael's. I love these little extra details. These two big guys were from Tuesday Morning. So black spider's hair, and it had these, where they did these cool molds onto them. And then this one is Toe of Gecko. These gorgeous ones are Michael's. Isn't that beautiful? So there's this one, which is like the little love potion one. There's this beauty. Love it. Love that little skeleton detail on the top too. Almost like antique perfume bottles. And then this one, the snake venom. Little snake wrapped around. Super cute. Alright, then we've got the Grandin Road eyeballs here. And there's 3 large and 3 small ones. They're just, got to get them all out. They're kind of buried. And I've got my little pretty fuzzy crow. This one I believe is from Michael's. Another bottle of the snake venom. And I think this one, part of me wants to say Michael's, but I'm kind of thinking it may have been the at-home store. So one or the other. And this was Michael's. So you've got all the different potion names, so that'll be cute to put everything where it'll just sit and have the other potions around it. I think this is everything. I think. Alright, so first I'm going to see what will fit over here in this cabinet, since I got my little coffin cabinet. Now I do see online a lot of people say, like, how can I make this look better with the, like, this box here. One thing you can do, and what I will do, is you can put like moss all in there, you can put some dried flowers, and that'll help to fill that without looking so, I guess, kind of boring or plain. I almost forgot, I've also got my little potion bottles that I made. They're still sitting in my craft room. So I've got these guys, and my little toad.